try out this radio. Alright, went ahead and pulled off the street so we could take a look at her. And here we have it. I'm gonna try to cover some of the wind. So yeah, this is a 2001 NB. It's got 154,000 miles on it. I didn't even realize it needs a little fog light. Wouldn't be too bad to replace or even just patch it. Paint is really good. The only side that kind of needs help, there's a little bit of some damage here, looks like. The paint is peeling here, and then if you go all the way to the back, there's more scuffs here. The rear has some flaking going on here and here, a little bit behind where the plate goes. But otherwise, I mean, being 21 years old, the paint really isn't too bad, especially for some of the stuff you see on the marketplace. So it's nice because it's actually got some pretty good life still on these tires. So that's one thing I don't really have to worry about. I do need, well, the rear pads don't look too bad. No, the front pads don't look too bad either. I probably will end up upgrading the rotors and the pads, just because stopping power is kind of something I like. But yeah, let's take a look at this little exhaust here. So that's what it sounds like idling. And what kind of exhaust are we working with here? Let's see. I can't read that from where I'm at. But the rear end looks pretty good. There's no, really no rust under there at all. This car spent its entire life in Texas. So I'm gonna go ahead and prop this up real quick. We'll do a little drive-by so you can hear the exhaust, and then I gotta go to work. So there you have it. Doesn't sound too bad now, does it? Top is pretty good still. And I picked her up for $5 grand, 154,000 miles. Clean title. So not a bad little deal on there either. So whew, I'm out of shape. All right, so with that, guys, I gotta go to work. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I did not sell the Golf. Still have the Golf. Picked this up for a little project daily. So Golf's not going anywhere. In fact, this is here to take the abuse that the Golf normally takes. You know, driving all this way to work, it just puts a lot of miles on the car. I've put 7,000 miles on my car since I've lived in Texas, and we've only been here 9 months. So it's adding up quick. So this is something to, that was a bee. It was on the dash. Yeah, this is something to take the abuse off of the Golf. So that's why this is here. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to work on this car and learn about it and learn its little quirks and silly goofy things that the Miata has. Granted, it doesn't have the pop-up lights, but I still think it looks cool. I think it's still funny, and my wife had a blast as we just drove it around real quick with the top down. Old memories. My first car was a convertible V6 Mustang, so this is kind of fun. It brings back some of the old fun memories. But yeah, guys, with that, I gotta go to work because I'm gonna be late. Like and subscribe, follow for more. There will be tons more content coming with this Miata. So thank you guys so much, and be safe, drink water, and I will see you next time. Eternal.